knit a colorwork sweater with me. Let's go. Alrighty, I spent almost 8 hours yesterday working on this sweater, and it's crazy how 8 hours just got me here. This looks so cool. First of all, look at my floats. It's like magic. I am not catching any float. I've seen so many videos and so many, like, one person who literally basically only does color work never catches her floats. Alex, my friend Alex, she said she barely catches her float. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not catching it either. I think I caught my float once because there was like a 14 stitch difference. I was like, that's too long. That's too long. But I have been doing like 7, 8 float stitches and I have not caught them. And they are totally fine, nice and stretchy and not too loose or anything. Like, it's very consistent. And this is my first time doing a colorwork sweater like this. So I think I'm doing pretty good. Since I'm using superwash yarn, you can really see the, what do you call it? The puckering, but once it's blocked, like, look at that. Just like, imagine this is it being blocked. It's gonna look very nice, but I am on the moon section of this and I'm about to be on the clouds and it just looks so freaking cool. I cannot believe I'm doing this. Like, I'm making this. What the heck? This looks like somebody else did it. And I'm so glad I did pink. It's gonna be so cute for the springtime. I'm so excited. And then my sunflower stitch stoppers that I got from my dad. Like, it's just, I am so happy knitting on this. And I need to start knitting on this again today. Like, I'm ready to start knitting right now. I think since I'm doing this sweater, because I'm waiting for yarn to come in for a test knit, I'm like, I have about a week and I think I can finish the yoke by then. Because at this rate that I'm going, like, I'm looking at, I printed off the chart. At the rate that I'm going, I can literally finish this yoke in like 3 days. So let's see. Hello, it is days later. I am so tired. It's 11 p.m. but I just wanted to show. I didn't work on this yesterday or the day before yesterday. Yeah, but today I have finished the colorwork section. It is so puckered, but not because it's tight or anything. It's because I didn't catch my floats, so it just like squishes that in. But once it's blocked, it's gonna be like that. So it's going to flatten out everything. Flatten out. Like that. So for now, we're gonna have to accept the puckering. But this is what the yoke looks like, which is so freaking cool. I'm not done with the yoke, I'm just done with the colorwork section of the yoke, which is pretty cool. Anyway, tomorrow I want to get some more progress on it. And even though this is a fingering weight project, like, this in itself took 2.5 days. And then I have to do more increases, of course, to make it bigger and finish up the yoke. But this is actually, I thought it would be worse knitting a fingering weight sweater. but I am enjoying it so much. So I was always told, go up a needle size for colorwork projects. And so I did, so the sweater itself is knit on 3.5s. I did this part on 3.5s and then this entire colorwork section on 4mm, and I'm going to switch back to 3.5s. I already have, actually. Switch back to 3.5s for the rest of the yoke and the body, because the rest of the yoke doesn't have any colorwork on it. It's just literal stockinette. So I'm gonna do the stockinette and split for the sleeves and the body and go down on the body and, you know, all that. Anyway, that's all that I have for now. I'll talk to you guys whenever I talk to you guys. Okay, I think it's the next night. I don't know. If I'm wearing the same thing, it probably is. But I am supposed to be going to bed. It is 11:44 p.m. But I got to a point in the sweater where I need to split for sleeves. And I'm like, oh, then let me just split for sleeves. Like, why wait? Okay, that's what it looks like before splitting for sleeves. So let's see what it'll look like when it's split for sleeves. It feels so weird holding this up because this is the lightest sweater I have ever felt in my life. Like, it's a fingering weight sweater, so I guess that makes sense. But like, why is it so lightweight? Like, oh my gosh, oh no, please don't drop. Okay, whew, all right. Anyway, this just shows me that I need to just split for sleeves and stop playing around, so I'll be right back. Okay, let me put it here. The sleeves have been split from the body. I am just so excited for this to block out. I'm so tired of seeing this not be nice and flat, but either way, hold on. Okay, but either way, this is what it is looking like so far, which is so cool. I'm about to do some short row shaping. You can see the armhole there, armhole here. Eee! This is so exciting. But yeah, that's the entire motif for now. Unblocked and wrinkly and weird. Blocking, this is gonna be when I have the most trust in you for now. Okay? One could hope. Okay, today makes exactly 1 week that I have been working on this Saskie sweater, and literally only the Saskie sweater. I will be taking a break from it, potentially, because I accepted a test knit. I always say that I'm not going to do test knits, but that's because I always want to work on my whips. But since I have cleared off my whips, I am fine taking a test knit, especially even if it's in the middle of a project, because I am in my designing era, even though you can't see it because I have not like really discussed anything, but so many plans are going on in the background, and I feel like doing this test knit is going to help me learn more about different constructions and stuff, which is awesome. But anyway, here is the sweater so far. Obviously, it's not going to be an oversized sweater. I didn't care for it to be an oversized kind of sweater anyway, and even with the pattern itself is not, it doesn't have that much ease, but this is it so far. The yoke looks amazing. I cannot wait to block it, and I am here with the body of the sweater. So it's a good bit of progress. Obviously, I still have a lot more to go to end up like here, so that's a lot of knitting, but I plan to do a good bit of knitting today. It is currently 11:31 a.m. So the day is starting out really great when it comes to time and doing this. I'm trying to get like 10 centimeters done today. Like, ooh, that sounds crazy, but I got 7 centimeters done yesterday and I didn't even, like, I wasn't even knitting a lot. So I think I can definitely get a good bit of knitting done today, which is so great. So I'm gonna sit down, watch a bunch of knitting podcasts and different knitting videos, probably some design knitting videos as well, and knit on this all day. 3.5 millimeter needles is what I'm knitting with right now, which is so crazy because I have not made a fingering weight sweater before, and it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. I'm loving it, and I kind of want to make more fingering weight sweaters. So anyway, that's my update for today. I do want to show how long I've been working on this so far, because I figured out that I can actually like customize the dates to see like when I started and compared to where I am now. So I started this on April 5th. Today makes exactly 1 week. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Yeah, exactly 1 week that I've been working on it. Well, yesterday did. So today is a week and a day. Okay, so the 5th is when I started it. Let's see. April 5th to today. Okay. I have been working on this sweater for 33 hours. 33 hours, almost 34 so far. And it's just, I'm just here on the body. That is crazy. Anyway, that's it. I'll talk to you guys when I have a bit more progress. Oh my gosh. I don't remember the last time I filmed. It probably hasn't even been that long. But I just finished the body. I think it's almost been 2 weeks I've been working on it. I think tomorrow makes 2 weeks. But I have finished the body. It's supposed to be like 5 centimeters for the ribbing, and I did not do that. I was just like, I'm not doing that. It's literally like 4.75 centimeters. I just didn't want to continue. But now I'm going to be working on the sleeves. I'm hoping to finish this by next week. I think the sleeves can be done. This is fingering weight yarn, I have to be aware, but also, you know, I'll be decreasing and stuff, so I think I can smash this out in like 2 days if I'm like hyper vigilant. I need to look and make sure that I'll be using 3.5s still. I'm pretty sure I will be, but you know, just to make sure, all right. Yes, alrighty, let's get it. I have finished a sleeve. Okay, this sleeve is all the way, okay, sleeve, all the way done. It's so slim. I'm not used to like, I'm used to very, very oversized sweaters, but I'm very excited to be working on the second sleeve because I want to finish it today. Okay, it is Saturday, the 20th. I want to just finish this. I have a test knit to start because my yarn came in and I'm so excited for that. And yeah, I'm like, all right, let's lock it down, you know, take time to actually knit and not procrastinate or like lollygag and just get it done because I know I can get it done. So it is, what time is it? 11 a.m. So I have plenty of time to get through this because I'm going to be staying up for a while since I'll be watching the F1 race at midnight. So 13 hours from now. I'm very excited. Anyway, that's all that I wanted to update you guys on. I should be done with this by the end of today and into early tomorrow, which means I'll be able to block it. And I'll be able to see this beautiful, beautiful design up close, like relaxed and as it should look, I guess I should say. I'm excited. The fan's just gonna have to be on. Sorry for the loud noise, but I just finished the sweater. I just finished the sleeve and now it's time to go to sleep. It is 1 a.m. I thought I could stay up for the I just glitched. For the F1 race, I did. There are like 30 something laps in out of 56. I'm too tired, okay? But look at this. It looks so good. I can't wait to block it. But yeah, anyway, good night. Hey guys, so the sweater is finished. It is done blocking and everything. I've already worn it out. I've taken pictures in it, everything, but I wanted to show you guys the finished project. It's been folded, so, you know, ignore the wrinkles. But here is how the colorwork section is. Everything just totally blocked out. Someone tried to tell me, no, your floats are too tight. That's why there's puckering. It's not gonna block out, blah, blah, blah. My floats weren't too tight. Okay, I made sure there was space. Yes, this is my first motif colorwork, but I did a lot of research, so I knew what I was doing. Okay, and listen, it blocked out perfectly. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this tension, so even, so beautiful. The sweater goes over my butt. The sleeves, very nice and long. Let me scoot this chair back so you can see. Ding. The yoke is not as deep as I'd like it to be. I like my yoke to come out to like at least here-ish. Almost like a, not a poncho, but not all the way up in my armpit either. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh, like I just cannot get over this part. Like, dude, amazing. Okay, amazing. Anyway, that's all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you're working on during this video. Have you done colorwork before? And if you have, let me know what colorwork you've done. I might want to take a peek at it. And what other colorwork sweaters should I do? There are so many. There's so many that I want to design myself, but also ones that I want to do, like the halibut sweater by Caitlin Hunter. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. But anyway, that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.